Simi Warehouse is one of the exhibition venues in the KOCHI-MUZIRIS Biennale's Invitations and Collateral program, located on Bazaar Road in Mattancherry. This is a large warehouse-style space repurposed as an art venue, giving artists room for installations, video works, sculptural pieces, and other contemporary practices. In the 2025-26 edition, Simi Warehouse hosts works curated under the Biennale's Invitations program, including international projects such as An Instigators Handbook for Play, Friendship, Generosity, and Autonomy by Alice Yard in Trinidad and Tobago, and Water Binds Me to Your Name by Museo de Arte Contemporáneo de Panamá.